Okay, now this time, PaleLee was being the aggressor. I don't know what. Look at him. He's rubbing his scent all over that thing. Gracie down there on the sidewalk. I'm afraid to get too close. They're going to run off. But they just got into a big rollover, a furball fight, a brawl. PaleLee runs after Gracie right here, and they go. I think it's because he wants to get after Gracie, and Gracie doesn't want it. Gracie's a lady, of course. Oh, PaleLee, what's the deal here? Why'd y'all brawl right there? BJ's no more. He's gone. So what's the game plan, guys? What's the deal? What's the deal? Why did y'all fight like, man versus man cat? That's rather unusual. You see, PaleLee, yeah, see, look. PaleLee's trying to get her in heat. Here we go again. PaleLee's just a horny little bastard right now. What are you going to do, son? Y'all need to cut the crap, okay? Your daughter in our house is turning out really pretty. I'm getting so tired of these damn people up and down our street all day long. Seeing the same car 5, 10, 20 times a day, speeding up and down this street, having no respect for us at all. So you just being happy with her or something, PaleLee? Because that's who he was brawling with. Or was it with Thing? I don't know. And there's another lady kitty just walking by her. So what's up, PaleLee? Talk to the viewers. You have a history of violence. And he runs off. He's looking at me like, I don't have to put up with this. All day long he's been spraying around here. This is my bitch. Gracie right here is his bitch. Or woman. Bitch is a female dog, simply. PaleLee's being horny. He's over there rubbing his sin on the thing. It's Saturday night. Until next time.